After 7 years, things aren't getting better. In fact, things are getting worse. We see that people can't afford their rent and buy groceries all in the same month. They've given up that dream of buying their own home. We have 1 million people lined up at food banks. 2.5 million people still don't have a family doctor. 11,000 who have died waiting for health care, treatment, surgery. 2,000 getting treated in a doorway or a hallway or an auditorium. It's heartbreaking what I see out there, but there's hope because we can change it. If we all came together and we made it a priority to fix our healthcare system and we voted with one voice, we can change the government, because the only way to fix healthcare is to change the government, and it's not too late. It's not too late. This election is no way over yet. There are 10 more days, and we're going to make the most of each and one of them as we see the race narrowing between the Premier and myself. And that's why I'm reaching out today to NDP voters, and I'm asking them, if you want to change our healthcare system, please vote for Ontario's Liberals. And together, we can change the government. There's a lot of work to do, but only Ontario's Liberals are committed to getting you a family doctor within the first 4 years of our mandate, reducing those wait times in hospitals. We have the momentum, we have the wind at our sails, but we can't make that change without your support. So once again, I'm asking everyone to come together. And when we come together, we are strong and we can fight and we can change the government and send Doug Ford packing. The election is on February 27th. But the advance polls are this weekend, so I'm asking you, please be sure to get out and vote. I know it's cold, I know there's a lot of snow, but this is really important. If you want to change your life and you want to make it more affordable again, Ontario's Liberals are promising you an income tax cut. We will take the HST off your home heating and your hydro, and we will build homes that are more affordable. We will put $1,150 back in your bank account each and every year, and you will have a family doctor. So on February 27th, please, I'm asking everyone to come together, especially those who may have voted NDP in the past, to vote for Ontario's Liberals to change the government. Thank you all. Happy to take your questions.
Okay, thank you. We're happy to take your questions. One question, one follow-up. Please state your name and outlet. We'll take questions from the floor, then go over to the line.
Hi, Bonnie.
Hello.
Sharif Hassan from CP.
Yes.
My first question for you is that on this appeal to NDP voters, do you see a lot of common grounds between you and between your platform and the NDP's platform? And do you think that you will attract NDP voters by saying that the party thinks money grows on trees?
Ontario Liberals have the only viable platform that's realistic and achievable. Our number one goal is to ensure that you have a family doctor and we reduce waiting times in hospitals. We're also going to promise you a tax cut to make your life more affordable. Because I ask you, is your life affordable under Doug Ford? And I already know the answer to that. And the answer is a resounding no. So we're going to make your life more affordable by putting more money back in your pocket, by removing the HST off your home heating and your hydro. So yes, it is a very strong message that will appeal to progressive voters that we can come together, and when we come together, we can defeat the government and we can ensure that everyone will have a family doctor.
And my follow-up question is the question that you were asked last night, but you said that you were entirely focused on the debate. So that question is about the problematic and disturbing comments made by some of your candidates, including the one who is running in Oshawa, who called the Prime Minister Trudeau a gay. Yeah. And I was wondering what are your thoughts on this now, since it's been like a couple.
Yeah. You know, I've now had the opportunity to focus on what was said. Of course, yesterday I was entirely wanting to deliver the best debate possible. And, you know, I understand that people can post some really terrible things on their social media. But I want to say that I condemn those statements. I don't stand for them. They don't reflect who I am. I don't think they reflect the values of the Ontario Liberal Party. And I had asked this morning for an apology, and I believe one has been issued to the Sikh community and also to the LGBTQ community as well. He managed to offend two beloved groups in one tweet, and this is completely unacceptable. It is not who I am. I don't stand for this. It is not who the Ontario Liberal Party is. He does not share our values, and I'll leave it at that.
Amazing. We'll now open it up to the line. I believe the Trillium.
We've been listening to Ontario Liberal leader Bonnie Crombie making a campaign stop in Hamilton, also appealing to NDP voters to vote for Liberals to defeat Doug Ford and his Conservative Party.